What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get or craft a flare in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So once you load up your game, you will be on this home screen right here. So from this screen, just click on this little tab right here, the card collection tab. And I have my cards currently organized by number, so by duplicates. And the ones that I have the most is Slowbro. So to obtain or craft a flare, just simply open up your Pokemon that you want to add a flare to, and click on this Obtain a Flare button right here. So as you can see, to craft a flare for this Pokemon, you need to have 2 cards, so 2 same cards as this one, and 80 Shine Dust. So if you want to find out how to get Shine Dust, I will leave a link to that video in the upper right corner, but for the sake of this video, let's continue and craft this flare. So once you collected everything, to craft it, simply click Exchange. Then you will get this confirmation window right here that says what's gonna happen, so I'm alright with this and I will just proceed and click OK. And here we go. And there we go, the flare has been crafted. So to proceed, just tap on the screen. And there we go. A new flare has been added to your items. So this is a tier 1 flare, and because we crafted the tier 1 flare, in the future we can craft the tier 2 flare, which has this purple effect on it. And to equip it, go back to your Pokemon screen, and in the upper left corner, click on this little flare icon right here, and select the flare that we just crafted. And there we go. So that's how you can craft a flare in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.